Hello everybody, we're working on a 2013 Dodge Ram. We have adding a new key here. This is the original one, this is the new one. We're hooked up into the car's OBD, as you can see down there. And we're gonna go to the vehicle. Ram 1500. 2013, we're gonna have to read the PIN code. PIN code is necessary for programming. Without it, there we go. What's the PIN code? Let's continue to add a key, keyless. And that's the PIN code. All right, so now we have to hold on to that, sir. I have to put the remote next to the push to start button and press unlock a few times. Well, it says failed, but that's because I will start pressing it late. So there we go. Everything works. The key is programmed. Vehicle starts right up. 2013 Dodge Ram. Thanks for watching, guys.